the saw-scaled viper. Many snakes offer a clear warning to stay away, but this one is a born deceiver. At only 12 inches long, the saw-scaled viper may be small, but it packs a serious punch. When disturbed, they coil up into strike position, rubbing their tough keeled scales together to create a sawing sound. Ignore it at your peril. Bite. And release. Large glands at the back of its head yield enough venom to kill over 600 mice from a single bite. The common krait and this are considered two of the deadliest snakes on Earth.